All right, this house is brought to you by Caldwell Banker. I'm at 1237 Sage Street in Evanston, Wyoming. This house is coming in with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, just under 222 square feet. It's a beautiful house. It's been remodeled, still doing some work on it. I'm really excited to show it to you. We got a detached garage as well, and in the back, there's a spot if you want to have your own workshop, whatever it may be. There's a lot of possibilities there. So I'm really excited to show you this home. I'm Andrew Wyatt with eXp Realty. Let's go check it out.